Welcome to this video guide on using Crea 2 Turbo for local AI image generation. We will explore how to remove restrictions and get the most out of this tool. Base models often include strict safety filters that block even harmless prompts. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate these common restrictions. To get started, open the Settings menu and locate the Prompt Rebalancer section. Toggle this setting to active. This forces the model to strictly follow your prompts. Next, adjust your adherence weights. By increasing these values to the maximum and saving your changes, you help the model align more closely with your instructions. With the rebalancer active, you can now enter your prompt and generate your image without external files or complex workarounds. Another effective method is using a LoRA model. Simply navigate to the LoRA menu and select the desired file from the list to make subtle adjustments. After selecting the file, ensure the LoRA module is enabled and set the strength to 1.0 before closing the panel. Once configured, simply enter your prompt and generate your image. This method is a great alternative if prompt rebalancing doesn't provide the results you need. For advanced users, you can modify your local Python configuration, locate your sglang installation, add the rebalancing support code, and save the file. As you can see, both rebalancer and LoRA methods effectively bypass standard safety filters, allowing for unrestricted image output. You can also use reference images for consistent styling. Drag your preferred style image into the reference box and wait for it to encode. Enter your subject in the prompt box and click Generate with Reference to create images that follow your template. For targeted edits, use the Mask tool. Upload your image, select the brush, and paint a white mask over the area you wish to change. Finally, enter your edit instructions and click Apply Mask Edit. This allows you to seamlessly modify specific parts of an image. By using these techniques, rebalancing, LoRA models, style references, and mask editing, you can take full control of your local AI generation process.